Hey, we are live. See if I can get chat. Is it here? Yeah. Oh no, chat pop out. Wait, yeah. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yeah, good. Okay. Unstable. It's been pretty unstable last few days. Need the data sheet. Okay. Guess let's get started. Okay, let me run this first. Gotta double check where I am. Okay, yeah, I remember. So the next step, well, I think this might be the last thing to do on the driver. I think then I can move on to, well, problem for later. Okay, yeah, so I might have to actually change the board. Excuse me. I just realized that I might have had another display. I'll have a look for it. Okay. So for today, yeah. So what I want to do is, so right now it prints the output. Where's the other one? Yeah. So it prints it, let's say, like that. And yeah. So what I want instead is, I want to be able to specify. So this is, I want to be able to specify which column and possibly row that, excuse me, both row and column where I want the input to be printed. Okay. So if I understand correctly, to do that, I need to use where is it? Yeah. So I need to use, where is it? Oh no, it's below. So this is the one I'm using right now. And it doesn't allow me to, it takes no inputs to specify column address, if I'm correct. Yeah. Oops. Can okay, sorry. Back. Right, okay. Yeah, so right. Where was I? Yeah. So I mean this is convenient, but I want to try where is oh I can set column at oh no, okay. This triple by command specifies because my understanding is that you got to use the page addressing mode. But let me read it anyways. This triple byte command specifies the column start address and end address of the display data RAM. Column start and now what I want to do. I wonder if I can change it after each input. Okay, let me read a little bit. So a command also sets the column address pointer to column start address. Okay. This pointer is used to define the current read-write column address in the graphic display. If horizontal address increment mode is enabled by 20H, after finishing read-write one column data, it is incremented automatically to the next column address. Okay, so mosquito. It's like there might already be a command for it. Guess 20H is 20H. Oh no, why am I looking at 20? Yeah. Dressing mode. Okay. Yeah, I think, yeah, it is the horizontal address increment. Okay, but after finishing one column data. I mean, there is a kind of a hacky way to print it. Let me see. Well, I could just print. I mean, I think I tried to do it yesterday. If when I combine these two lines, there's about, how many is that? 12? And then 10. So you can print about 20, no, I think 21 Why 21? Ah, because there is. Hang on. Print 21 bytes on a single line. Quite strange. Why 21? Yeah, they're all the same size. So I'm not sure. Hang on, I'll be right back. Hey. And I'm back. I should have got some cover. No, it's fine. Okay. Right, what am I doing? Okay, yeah. Trying to see if I can... It's called print line. Right. How big is the line? Column 127. Do know that each I think bit is a pixel. Hang on. I'm wrong, because this is not 12 bytes. It's 12 times 6. So that's 12 times 6. 72. And then add how many? 2 plus 10 times 6, 60. 132. That can't be right. HELLO 5 space 6 and then WORLD. So another 5. 11 and 12. Yeah, it is 12. Where am I printing it? Yeah, here. Not this one. On bitmap. I think this would be better as ASCII offset. ASCII offset. Right. So it's an array of 6 per character. So that's 6 bytes per character. And if it's 128 bytes per line, and then I divide that by 6, 21.3. It's weird. Okay, so that means I can print 20. Yeah, so that'd be 120 bytes. Or 21. Okay, let's try. Let's call this print line. Numbers. Where do I print it? Okay, here. We'll rename this to write line. No, actually, write string. It's fine. And then here, write data. Call it write line. and I'm gonna assume it's only ever gonna be, I only care about the small ones. If it overflows, it's fine. Right, okay, so wondering if I should I do it here? Okay, so call it const temp. Okay, I'll do assert data dot len is less than, say, 127. Import standard and const assert equal to standard dot debug. So, yep. Okay. So then right. Line equals 127. Ah. Okay. 127. It should fit 128. 20. Yeah, I can only do 21 because it goes over. Otherwise, less than 128 is fine. Okay, const temp equals 28. I wanna turn off the pixels for the rest of it. Actually, it might be might be easier to do it. Yeah, when I send the data in. Don't need this because right string. All of a sudden this doesn't seem very, this doesn't seem like the simple answer. Should I try page addressing? I think I should. Column address, page address. Page address pointer to page start. Current read write address in the graphic. Yeah, this is what I want. after finishing automatically to the next page address. Whenever the page address pointer finishes accessing the end page address. Segment remap. Where's the command table? Okay, yeah. Page addressing mode. This is only for horizontal or vertical addressing. Set page address. Okay, no. Okay, what about this one? Set page start address for page addressing mode. Okay. So I can switch it to the next page before printing. Okay, let me try. So I guess every time I write, I need to update the page. Set the RAM page start address. By setting the last 3 bits. Okay. So B0 to B7. Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, I can keep track of the current page. Let's say it's gonna be, might not be available. Oh, let's try SfireKit. Var page address. Page address is going to be B0. And then I can, yeah, okay. Plus 1 mod 4. Maybe bring this lower. Yeah. It's fine. Set addressing. This is 10. Yep. page addressing. Yes. One. And I think I don't need these commands. Column start, column end. So I don't need 21. Don't need these. Don't need these. And it'll just be B0. Going to be page. Set page address. Oh. Page address command. Yep. And then you can send page address. Oops. Oopsie. Excuse me. So now set the page address. One at the end of each. Call it function set page address. Let's say increment page address. Set is fine. All right. What does it need? Needs the pin square C. Page address is global, so it's fine. It'll return might error. So pin try pin dot write locking to A and write, hang on, let's take the command as well. I think it's going to be array of 2 U8 command. Okay, we can replace do we need timeout? Not really. Fine. Page, no, this one. This one. Hang on. I should just take, yes, it's a bit silly. Should just take page Don't even need to take page address. Const page address command. Just copy this in this. Yeah. Oops. Think set page address. Yeah. Okay. Then after we write data, go page address plus equal 1, then page address mod equal 4. Is it 4? 0 to 3. It's 4, it's 0. Yeah, okay. Double D. And then set page address in my data. Okay, that's fine. And gotta check if this applies. The orientation C0 was after the scroll. Oh, too far. Only for page addressing. Okay, now this one. Not this either. For page addressing. So I gotta set this to set lower column start address, set higher column start address. The initial display line register is reset to 0. Okay. It's fine. Yeah, okay. Suppose I could leave this in. It doesn't specify the addressing mode. Okay, let's see what that does. Right, nobody connects. Okay. And let's go. Oopsie. What is this? Okay. Page address. Okay, there. This is U8. Yeah. Well, not even. Yeah, but that's fine. 255. Sick build. Okay. Try. Okay. That did nothing. Didn't even start the display. Like back to square one. Let me get rid of this for now. Let's try again. Okay. Yeah. Weird. Doesn't even turn on the display. Is 20. Yeah. 20 and then the byte. So we don't need this. Don't need that. I have yeah. What am I missing? I think I'm gonna go back to the original. Hang on. Let me go backwards. Undo. Page address. Okay, see if we can get this to work. No, that didn't start the display at all. Okay, let's go back. Okay, see if this works. Second, if everything's still connected. Okay, that still works. So yeah, I'm gonna keep the addressing to be the same because I don't want to go through the datasheet again, to be fair. Can figure this out later. So I'm gonna try and do this. Every time I print, I'll try to print one line. Yeah. Okay, where's buffer? Okay, hang on. Why am I writing this again? Don't need this. Oh, okay. This is where I don't write it here. Range. So I suppose this should be here after the 4. Guess this can error now. Oops. Right. Then go void. Catch. Let's see. Error. Enable. Oh, sorry. Print. No, can't print. Go on. Where's the here? I just put the LED on. Although, yeah. Okay. Right. So print it here. Then where's buffer? Guess don't need it here anymore. Gonna make the buffer here. Then it's gonna be 128. Okay. I guess that's fine. Oops. Big build. Yep. So let's see. It's gonna be 128. Is this the only one? Yeah. I'll call this right line. Yep. Okay. Let's try this. Starts the second line halfway. Why? Does it even print all of it? I think something's wrong with my right line. So right now it's printing it like that. So this is going to be set to 0. Yeah. And print. Is write data. Block in control data. I try half. .64. Set string len is less than 64. Yeah. Buff.len. Okay. Bills. Doesn't print. Something's wrong. What is it? So for each character, get the bitmap and write the bitmap in. So for each character, there'll be like 6 bytes. Did I even... That's strange. Let me put this back to 128. T8. Maybe 7. I mean, it is 0 to 128, so no, that can't be it. Write data takes a slice of data, then prints it. Like, why even have that? Can it not be just 0? Okay, build. Okay. Why does the second line start halfway? Mm-hmm. Damn, it's like so much harder. And you can't see the output. Okay, let's just go through this. Why does the second line start halfway? Don't think it's this. Why did I put it there? Probably why? Fuck. Is that it? I think that might be it. Okay. All right. Let's try again. Okay. That was it. Silly mistake. There we go. We have, don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I think barely. If I move it further back, maybe. Right. So that's pretty good. They'll do. In my books, that's the driver complete. I'm glad I didn't change the addressing mode. Okay. Driver is complete to my to my standards. And push. Yeah. Okay. That's cool. Because if I do want to print, let's say, say I want to have dot netflix.com, and let's say I put 2060 minutes. What would that look like? Okay, let's try it. Ah, fuck. Forgot the boot select. Okay, build. Okay. It's too long. So what I'm gonna do is then 60 minutes implied. Okay, I think that should be better. I have to say this boot select thing, it's not the easiest. Oh fuck, I forgot again. Okay. It's taking quite a bit of time. Try again. Okay. Yeah. That can work. And I think I might have another display. I'll check after the stream. But hey, I think it's cool. That feels good. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I mean, yeah, it seems quite simple, and it is. But I'm glad I've done it, you know. I think the last, I don't know when I started, 10 days, maybe a bit more. Yeah. In the last 12 days, I've figured out how to read the datasheet and how to set up a driver for the display. Things I've never done before, and I'm quite happy with it. I might write the driver for the Wi-Fi. I don't know if is it a sensor like Wi-Fi antenna. So I think I want to write the driver for that too. That should be good practice. Hey Shab, Shab baby, 05, how you doing? Is it Shah? Yeah, it is. Yeah. Yeah, it was just about done. Been working on yeah, I'm good too, mate. Thanks for asking. Yeah, I've been working on a display driver. Just got it done. Like, I don't know if you can see that. I'll leave it here. Yeah. So I've managed to write it from write the driver from scratch by reading the datasheet. Yeah, mate, you should. It's a lot of fun. I think I've been programming for I think 4-5 years now. Yeah, it's definitely a lot of fun. If you wanna start, yeah, just go ahead. I think you'll like it. I mean, you might want to start something. I would say, I don't know, depends. How should I start? Okay. That's a good question. Depends. What do you want to be programming? Like, do you want to write games or like websites or embedded stuff like this one? Oh, okay. Um, well, okay. I think there's a few things. Let's see. I think if you want to do games, I would say, what's it called? Handmade Hero. Thing, yeah. So you can watch this series by Casey. It's good. I'll leave it in the chat. It's here. That one's pretty good for games, and it goes from like 0 to everything. I watched a few of these. It's pretty good. I'm not into games, so I don't know. I'm not much into it. And I think there's Code 3. It's like an open source place where you can learn with other people for free. And it's really nice. I'd recommend this too. It's pretty good. And what else? Oh, if you want to do like backend stuff, I would say boot.dev is pretty good. And they also have some free courses. I don't think they're completely free, but they do have, yeah, they do have some free stuff. But I would say either one, Code 3 or boot dev. They're both good. Because you learn with other people, and you know, like, you help each other out. I think it's the best way to learn. And when you write code, there's a lot of people who review your code, etc. So it's a good place, yeah. And it's completely free. Code 3. Yeah, you can check them out. They're all good. Yeah, I would say just pick one of them and just be patient, and yeah, and you'll figure it out. Yeah. Okay. I think that's about it for today, Shababy. Sorry. I'm gonna call it today. I'll see you around. Probably be back tomorrow. And good luck with the programming. Hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. I would recommend it. All right, see you, mate. Have a good one. Bye bye.